All right. This little thing rips. Freaking 80 bucks. Look at that, dude. Shit's clean. I still gotta come from the other angles, but look at that. That's freaking spotless. So I actually sprayed 2 cans of degreaser in here. So I let 2 cans of degreaser sit in here for 24 hours. And that's, I think, why everything's coming off so easily. But dude, it is spotless. Look at that. So yeah, see, I gotta come back from the back now. Bunch of shit here still. And I don't know what to do with all this. Try to like drain it somewhere, somehow. I don't know. We'll see. I'll figure something out. Maybe it'll accidentally spill onto my driveway. Yep. EPA, don't. I'm gonna take care of this. Properly dispose of this. I promise. Alright, I'm gonna keep washing and I'll be right back. Alright, the engine bay is mint. And now that it's all clean, I can take it more apart. So, I don't know if you've realized yet, but I'm completely rewiring the whole car. All wiring is going to come out right now. Fuse box is going to leave all this harness stuff. Clutch and brake booster and brake master I'm going to keep for now. Steering rack I'm going to keep for now because I want to be able to actually move the car around, steer it, whatever I need to do. Alright, I'm going to get in there and start tearing it apart. Quick update. I got this lodged in here. Get in there. I don't think it's gonna fit through here, is it? Oh god, it's such a pain in the ass. So yeah, got the whole front harness out. No more wiring in the whole front of the car. So now gotta get the dash harness out. I'm working on that. I gotta pull the dash out. So dash wiring comes out next, and then the wiring in the back is gonna be super easy. I think it's just that one harness over there. There's nothing on this side, just that one harness over there. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's get to it. Holy fuck, I broke a sweat. But all the wiring's out. Besides the new stuff that I added for like the windows and stuff, I'm just gonna leave that because it's just gonna get rewired. So yeah, all the wiring's gone. Just gotta pull the rear harness out and that's it. Super simple. I was trying to fight it, trying to get it to snake through there, but it wasn't gonna happen. So finally just pulled it out. Pulled the brake pedal out. I'm gonna pull the gas pedal out. I want to paint all this stuff. I'm gonna paint the inside of the car too. So just gotta pull the master cylinder off the brake booster. Pull the brake booster out. So I got room to do all this. Paint it nice and clean. So I just gotta clean up all this shit. I gotta cut this out. Take the headlights out. Take the fenders off. I'm gonna cut all this shit out. I don't need any of it. Probably cut it up to here, I'm guessing. because this doesn't serve any purpose. Okay, all right. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, so took every single piece of plastic, every plug, everything out of the car. So the plan now is to get rid of some of these little brackets. So get rid of this. I'd like to cut this out at least to here. I think I can cut it out. Just follow this right here. Cut that out on both sides. Cut this little bracket off. Cut off all the little studs sticking out of the firewall there. There. Cut all that stuff out. This little bracket, because I don't need any of this stuff. I wasn't mounting anything to it anyways. Took the headlight support off so I could clean all this here. So we're turning overspray into actual spray, so the car doesn't look like trash on the inside. It looks great on the outside. It looks like absolute garbage on the inside. And I also took these fenders off because I'm going to repaint them because they got all fucked up by the hood flying off. So you can see there's a scratch there, big scratch there. So all that needs to get repainted. But I think that's going to be it for today. Forgot to film an outro for this one. So to wrap it up, engine bay, it's all cleaned up, all the wiring's pulled out. Next week I'm going to paint the engine bay. Already got the paint for it sitting right there. Leave a comment for what color you think I'm going to do. And also, you guys can check out these emblems, dingdongdrift.com or strudermade.com, doesn't matter, it redirects to Strudermade. So dingdongdrift.com got Sora emblems. You can get them in any color you want, and if you want custom sizes, I can make that happen too. If you want small ones for the fenders or something like that. But yeah, subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, which is insane. I'm hoping to get the car running before I hit 1,000 so I could do a little celebration for you guys. So thanks everybody for the support. Thanks for buying my shit. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and doing all that stuff. So I really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.
America. Do you have your passport? Did you get your job?